This is Sai Vijay, the Director of Student Activity Center. As the Student Activity Center, here we have a beautiful process model which we had developed. In the first year, second semester itself, we make them to get exposed to the society. We created a program called Social Internship Program in the 1-2 semester. In this, we send the students to their interested areas, to the interested fields, and we ask them to stay. Some students go to the rural places, some people go to urban places, some people go to industries, and some people works with NGOs and stay there for a period of 21 days, understand it completely and come back. After coming back to the university, then they will be given an option called be the part of different clubs in the university. So now the Student Activity Center comes forward for the students to enroll themselves in different clubs. In the Student Activity Center, we ask them, what is your interested field? This is the first step that students start thinking. The second point is, students should feel responsible towards the society. So that is why the SAC had started different councils. So the clubs comes under the councils. We have 5 categories of council. One is the important council is called Technical Council. The second council, we works on Liberal Arts Council. The third council, Outreach and Extension Council. The fourth council, we works on Health and Hygiene Council. And fifth council is Innovation and Incubation Council. These are 5 councils which we established. These councils were run by the students. We have more than 77 plus clubs are there in the central, and also in every department we have more than 10 to 15 clubs. Technical Council especially works on the technology, and Liberal Arts Council works about the arts. We works on different clubs are there: music club, dance club, photography club, editing club, journalism club, and we have tourism club, we have trekking club, adventure club. So there are so many clubs are there. Health and Hygiene Council. This council do several activities, awareness program for the students to understand about the health. At the same time, they also do different activities in the outside to aware the people about importance of health. And Innovation Incubation Council will completely works about generating ideas, helping them to pitch the ideas to the investors, and creating a startups. And coming to this Outreach and Extension Council is, our university has adopted more than 150 villages. After this first step of social internship, the students will get filtered and they will be interviewed to get to each and every club. And in the club, they will be having a probation period for 3 months. In that probation period, what is that happens is, these clubs, the seniors will teach the juniors the fundamentals. Then they will be given an option to become a core members based on the selection process. After getting selected, then they have a 3 options is called, if they want to have a startup, then they'll be getting into Innovation Incubation Council. If they want to do a beautiful job in the company which they like, they started selecting a problem statement related to it. We have developed 2 national, international festivals. One is Samyak and Surabhi. Samyak is something which defines about the technology capability of the students. The students, what they learned the last year, this year they want to showcase themselves, and also they want to see the competition in the outer world. The second festival which we celebrate is called Surabhi. Surabhi is a cultural festival where the students who are the part of all these liberal arts clubs will be organizing Surabhi. The students who are part of technical clubs will be organizing Samyak. For every student, many number of hours he spent time in a period of 1 year, he'll be giving points and credits will be given. So that is a beautiful appreciation that a student is getting. They learned a lot, they gained a system, and that is how the profile become rich and be the part of these different clubs. Our only objective for us is to deliver a good citizens to the country, and that is a major objective of this university. So this is how the Student Activity Center is working.